Hi everyone, welcome to the third video in my journey of rebuilding DEXGOOD. I'm really happy with the progress so far. I'm following an agile development strategy for this project, which means not everything has to be perfect right away. Instead, I'm building the app step by step, improving each part over time. What matters most is getting working first and refining it as we go. And let's take a look. Before we dive into the current build, let's take a quick look at the old apps. Here is the market page, and this is the trade page, or what I call the exchange page. As you can see, it's pretty complex right here. There are a lot of sections like summary, market selector, the candlestick, the depth chart, the order book, recent trades, and limit order right here, the market order right here, and the open order right here, and the closed order right here. Now let's check out the new app. Here is the market page. It looks clean and functional. Just click and you are taken straight to the trade page. And this is the trade page, and honestly it's the most challenging part. Just like the old apps, everything is packed into single screen. You can see the layout is starting to take shape. Some sections are pulling real API data while the other are still using dummy data. The summary section is already in place, but the data come from, this one is Binance, and the order book right here populated with real-time data from the API. The market list also use live data, and the order form not functional yet, and the recent trade section is also connected to the API. That's it for today. Progress is ready, and we are one step closer to a fully working DEX. This is not just another DEX. It's DEX done right, transparent, on-chain, and built for traders who demand more. If you are enjoying this build series, please subscribe and follow along. More updates are coming soon.